Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. In this video, I am going to show PMT function which is used in Excel, its definition, formula and the calculation part. Before starting, I have already made the videos of PV that is present value, FV that is future value and one full video regarding PV, FV, PMT, NPER and rate, how to calculate it. So this 3 video link I'll be putting in description, you can check with it. Do watch this entire video to understand PMT function in an easy and simple way. Now we will start. Firstly, the definition. It is the financial function. It helps to calculate the payment for a loan based on constant payment and a constant interest rate. It helps to calculate of monthly loan payment. Formula for PMT is rate, NPER is number of periods, PV is present value, FV is future value. Type can be either N mode, that is 0, begin mode, that is 1. Rate and NPER, if it's provided in yearly basis, then you'll need to convert it into months. Now I have taken one example. Suppose you borrow rupees 5 lakh for the period of 5 years at the annual interest rate of 7.5%. In order to accumulate the value of rupees 75 lakhs, then what is the monthly payment to be done? So the rate and number of period is 5 years and rate is 7.5% annual interest rate. So we need to convert this into months. And you borrowed 5 lakh, that is PV that you have borrowed now, and you need to accumulate 75 lakh, that is future value. PMT is monthly payment, so we need to calculate PMT. Rate is 7.5%, divide by 12 as we are converted into months. 5 years that we need to convert into months. Present value is 5 lakh that you have borrowed 5 lakh. In future, you need to accumulate 75 lakhs. And as this is loan sum, you have borrowed the amount. So the type should be N mode, that is 0. PMT is 93,390.64. So if you do the monthly payment of 93,390, then you can accumulate 75 lakhs in future with the borrowed amount of 5 lakh, that is now. So this is it. If you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And for more such new videos, press the bell icon button. Do comment in the comment section whether you all find this video helpful and you all understood. And if you all have any queries, you all can even comment that in the comment section. So thank you.